Well, we got part 2 of Lisa and Scooter's TR6. We need to reinstall the center carburetor. It's a triple carb setup. I took the carb home with me, adjusted the floats, put in another needle valve because even the new one we put in seemed to be sticking. That's why we were leaking gas. That's why we took the carburetor home with us. So hopefully that's okay. We'll get that third carb back on, get the fuel line back on. Looks like the hood needs to be adjusted again. Everything wasn't tightened down, but we'll get that. And then take it for a little test drive, and hopefully we'll get this done and be out of here today. That's weird that it wouldn't start.
Yeah.
Did it even attempt to?
No. I assume it's something that sparks. I'll figure it out. I put it on the charger.
Late Spitfire, rubber bumper Spitfire, there was always overheating. And some need help chat here.
Telling you Dana's engine about
Clicked
the
on
oil.
that, was chatting back and forth, so somebody was
Remember,
like,
we're
Yeah.
looking at that. This is
I got
this is what that is.
the brackets
So it's up
on.
there
You want
add
to try to
more oil
do the
to
other
head.
3?
yeah.
This is this add-on thing.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Additional locations where it can leak.
Yeah.
Is it a braided line or is it still
time.
plastic?
Looks just like had a great weekend this
braided
weekend.
line.
My
It is,
special
okay.
little stats.
Sounds it,
Man,
yeah, that's
those
great.
kids. knew we
I
had
hate
another
these
one.
things.
You sold that green one? That was
I had the same problem on mine.
I know it was a price you couldn't refuse.
I'm sure there's an easy way to do it.
Give me their name.
Bottom-
Ranwin Park.
it's
That's
the
what I'm
bottom
going to
ones
say.
that are fine. Are fun to play with.
Anyway,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I can always go see Liz that That girl was beautiful, but I didn't say
So that's the
certify your
probably we
That's
took
the
the
bottom.
pin off at that one, but
no,
I'm not sure how you're gonna.
So she transfers me over.
Yeah. As long as it snaps in a little bit, it's not gonna fly anywhere.
And
But
it's got a,
the pin's just gonna lock down your adjustment, right?
Right.
$60 first month, every other,
How-
and continuing.
Gosh,
each
how,
month.
yeah, I mean,
Should we fix these chokes first?
So I got out of there and make sure that the charges weren't made in PayPal.
I don't know, what was your,
I mean,
besides,
I
besides,
mean,
do
I
we
mean,
have
you
all
can
the
see
parts
it's
that
all,
shows?
it's not where it,
Yeah,
Doug,
I
John,
mean, I
push
figured
the
as long as
we
there's
should.
enough wire here. With that, I'm not sure. We'll see. Let's
Yeah.
try to.
Got a really helpful person. Took
Doug, I'm going to push the
asked me what
choke
I
in.
wanted to do, so I said,
Oh,
put down the new information.
that's
Yeah,
in. Okay.
yeah.
You see, it's not doing anything.
It's
Yeah.
trying to come back out
Right.
again. So
Because it's not. This adjustment's way off. This lock should be on this metal piece right here.
Pretty stiff.
Again, it's just not holding it. Just won't hold it.
So these choke cables have 2 internal cables?
That fits everything, huh?
Yeah, I like this.
Just gonna tighten these up now so we can.
Want me to prime it?
I looked it up in the box, that's why I got it.
Yeah.
I'm like, well, they're a market picking people up and dragging them
Right.
people.
Boy, that's going up easy.
Right.
Shoot, if the moss
He's president.
What does that filter run to?
Whatever the
This one's not.
Yeah.
That's why it's going up easy.
Right,
people
yeah.
must want to buy,
Right.
right? And they're selling
Yeah.
for.
Anything dripping?
Not yet.
Oh, that's a good sign.
Oh, let me rephrase that and say no.
Yeah.
So I think I've seen it in the newsletter, right? People put for sale their cars in the newsletter.
Everybody does what I do.
Yeah, you got a little bit of a channel locks on there. And
Yeah, they just bend my hip.
I don't know if you got channel locks.
No, it's not. Yeah. The shirt is old.
Is that their technical term?
Yeah, I'm trying to get as much as I can.
Somebody's been on
It
that.
just comes over like here.
But I took loose out of it, and I'm happy to give everything with it.
Had you met Gene before? I never met him. Yeah, I said,
I don't know what car he is.
yeah.
Let's just see what's.
Oh, nice.
If you can lift it from
Clean.
both
It's
sides.
got a little,
Yeah.
crud in the bottom, but it's
That's all right.
still good. I wonder if it's
That's not
silicone.
right. There's something not right there.
What do you need?
This should not do that. It is. Only on this side.
Could it be a bad hinge?
I think this pivot is pretty loose, if I remember right. Right when we had it off, it was kind of
gauge, get them back down, line it kind of, you know, snug and line it down. Yeah, get back up and tighten those. I don't think we need to take these off.
We need to come out. See, it's trying to get that way. I don't. What's forcing it that way?
It's got this.
We're definitely closer here than we are there.
Yeah, for sure.
It is low compared
Yeah.
to the fender here.
So don't do anything except on this one. Let's loosen all those four.
The lungs are slightly loose, so it's going to move without. Yep. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. I mean, there's definitely a gap in the hinge on those three.
Push up on this and try to tighten it again.
Okay, that's nice. See, we're going to bring it down.
Better.
Yeah.
What happens when we just set it? You know, actually lock it in.
Lock it?
Yeah. How are you? How's the look over there? I got
tight right here, but
yeah, we still have a little bit more. It's got to kind of. This is. So you're really kind of close here, right?
yeah. And I'm very.
Well, of course, I've been pushing up there. Maybe we need to pull down here.
That's what's tricky. So it's like this and over a little bit. It's just this and this.
Well, let's leave that the way it is. Loosen this. See if we can go back this way a little, John.
Okay, see that?
Yeah.
Are you touching there? I'm actually got strain on it right now at this point.
I mean, we got a fairly good sized gap here now, but I do less.
Well,
than
that's just about over here.
Yeah.
That evens it up.
These days we didn't do anything to them.
No. That's definitely better. That's better. That's
That's me. Push it down. Well, if you want to. Otherwise, put the air cleaners on. We're good.
Let's tighten it up.
It's just
You know, the tread rating 260, traction A, temperature B.
So what is that, coarse thread? Right.
058, so it's an older tire that predates. So as Alan said, the tires are at least 25 years old.
On the car that's on the car now. What?
Yeah.
I was supposed to be navigating. Let's not do that.
Who's gonna be the brave one to test drive this?
I'll go with it.
Brakes feel
I'm old and heavily insured.
The original
Keith, can you grab me a wrench,
Get it
please?
myself.
No,
All those have been tightened back down now?
I have no idea.
On the hood, yes. You're not raised ground, right? Terrorize the neighborhood.
It's starting to move a little bit.
Yeah. Well, that's a good sign. At least we know it's not very. I don't smell any. We could check fuel leaks.
Yeah, temperature gauge we were just curious about.
Yeah. Idling a little bit high, but
Thank you, guys.
Something's,
Yeah,
what's the smell?
the only thing is, the speakers kind of fell over. Yeah. 5 or 6. Good thing we came back when you did.
Loose enough that I could do this with.
Oh, that's pretty loose.
Yeah.
The brakes were a little soft, but you know, not.
He said if we want any of those, take them.
I have them, just saying.
Yeah, I do too, but
They're worth the weight in gold.
this should go with the car, this one. Let it run. This car runs fantastic. It was a lot of fun to drive. The test drive was great. I had a really hard time coming back to the garage. I had to do a second lap.
Good. Try that.
Okay. Perfect. That's as far as you can go. That's perfect. Yeah. That just lets it sneak by.
Kind of a hiccup. But today everything
Started right up.
On the second start on cold, which is really good, right? So we disconnected the battery and still you gotta tell her that.
Yeah.
I don't know how she's supposed to run it, but yeah.
So you feel. Lunch is served. You feel confident.
Lunch is served. Yep, let's do it.